We all like poking holes in things, and today we're showing you how to make holes in Nomad Sculpt. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. If you don't know what Nomad Sculpt is, here's a quick overview on this 3D modeling software. Nomad Sculpt is a mobile-based sculpting app designed for 3D modeling. Developed with the aim of providing a comprehensive sculpting solution, Nomad Sculpt integrates a wide array of tools and features that cater to both amateurs and professional artists. Its intuitive interface and touch-based controls allow users to unleash their creativity anytime, anywhere. Nomad Sculpt's features include a dynamic topology, advanced sculpting tools, post-processing effects, and the ability to export your files as objects or STLs, making 3D printing right from the software really easy. Now let's get started making holes in Nomad Sculpt. So when you open Nomad Sculpt, it starts with this basic sphere. If you click on this button, you'll see you could delete the sphere. So let's do that. Now we're going to add a cube. Now, as you see, the cube is just a standard cube. Next, we're going to add a cylinder to go through the cube. And you see here, the cylinder's in the cube. At first, we're just raising it above and below. Now we're just going to shrink it so the diameter is within inside the cube. Now that we have that done, so we're going to hide the cylinder. Oh, it's auto-saving. As you can see here, the cylinder is still visible. It's sort of shaded out. Now we're just going to do a voxel remesh. Now you can change the resolution if you want for this. I'm just leaving it as is, and you can see it remeshed it, and the cylinder is completely gone, cutting a hole through our cube. We're going to export it as an STL file, but you can also export it as an OBJ. Now we're going to bring it into our slicer. We're just going to resize it real quick to about 300%. And we're going to print this to see how it came out. Of course, we added Make or Build It on the front of the cube in multicolors. So as you can see, it made a perfect cube with a hole cut right through the center. For more on 3D modeling, 3D printing, and other technology videos, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It. And remember, keep on making. They didn't give me clown juice, they gave me iced coffee.